Hey, welcome back everybody. In today's video, we'll be adding a new topic to the series of Basic Finance. And this series is where I talk about basic financial topics to help you improve your daily life. Today's topic will be covering what is a dividend. If you're new here, my name is Michael and welcome to the Real Michael Berry channel, where I have a passion for seeing millennials being successful with their money. If you haven't already, I want you to subscribe to the channel. I encourage you to subscribe to the channel so that way you can help improve your daily financial life. Now, when you talk about investing in stocks, you can grow your wealth in one of two ways. The first way being that as you own stock, as you own shares of a company, if it increases in value, that is the first way to grow your wealth. The second way is as you own stock, as you own shares of a company, every time they pay you out in dividends, you're earning cash. So this can be 15 cents, this could be 20 cents. These companies pay out per quarter, but as you make this money, you're able to reinvest it into a business, whether you want to keep it in that company, keep it in a different company, but you're able to earn value for having been invested in a company. Now, think of this on the big end. Say if you had 1,000 shares of one company, each company is paying you 15 cents. This is money that you have coming in that you can, like I said, you can cash out if you want to, you can reinvest it to keep growing your wealth, but it's gonna allow you to reinvest this money so that way it's working for you. You have some people that retire, they're able to live on dividends because they have so much invested. That just simply means that as your portfolio grows, if you're looking for companies that are invested and also paying dividends, you're not only do your value grow in the company itself, but like I said, you're getting a payout every quarter where that way you can cash it out, you can reinvest it so that way you can just keep growing over time. Now, this is a strategy that you have to be a part of if that's what you're looking to doing. What you have to understand is that not all companies pay dividends. So you don't want to invest in this strategy, invest in a company, go the long term where you realize that, oh, well, this company doesn't pay out every quarter. Well, now you're messing up on your strategy. Well, you have to just, like I said, look into doing your strategy as far as doing your research. Make sure that whatever company you're investing in, not only is a good company to invest to grow the value, but at the same time, you want a good dividend. You want to get a dividend payout so that way you can keep reinvesting to grow the wealth long term. Hey everybody, thanks for watching the video. If you haven't already, I want you to subscribe to the channel for future content. Click on the bell notification so that way you guys know when I make a video. See you guys in the next video.